Hey, what's up everyone? There's a video by Peter Mckinnon, one of my favourite YouTubers, giving 8 camera hacks in 90 seconds. And I thought rather than just watching it, I'm gonna give them a go. Sort of like got all these objects and he spins them around. While Peter is really savvy, I'm really Gumby. I'm like, so what I'm going to do is flip that over, and that egg time is going to be the subject of all the shots, because in Peter's video, it's the coffee. Sorry, I've got to take my belt off, stick it on the camera apparently. Don't look. Time to try and put the belt on my camera. Okay. That feels dodgy. That doesn't look right. And then what do I do? No, I gotta watch the video again. Oh, you go around the camera body. It makes that look really easy. Okay, attempt number 2. So we gotta go the long way around. I'm not a DIY guy. Okay, we got the loop, and then do we do the back around? This doesn't feel safe. Damn it. Let's watch it again. Belt thing. Lay it flat, put the belt down. Look at this. What? Yeah. Do, 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 do. I did it! Now what do I do? Now I've got to go film stuff. Okay, Peter, how does this help me? Can you please post an instructional video on how to do this and some more examples? Thank you. How's this better than doing this? Hey, I haven't got a coffee hood because I don't drink coffee, and I don't know if we have any hoods in this house, but I do have this roller, one that you roll your back out. So I'm gonna give this one a go. It's actually pretty cool. Can you see me in there? I want to shoot a whole video in this tube. Alright, on to number 3. Dream chap. Oh, he put chapstick on his camera. I don't know about this. Chapstick on my camera. I'm the sort of person that, nah, I can't do that one. What could I put on instead? Chapstick on your camera? Is that serious? I'm not sponsored by Canon. I can't afford to ruin my lens. I suppose Peter Mckinnon he's got 3.8 million views on this video. So if he ruined his lens, he's probably made it all back off ad revenue. But my video is going to get like 40 views and my channel doesn't have monetization. So is there an alternative for chapstick though? Makes the outside blurry. Maybe through my glasses? I'll give that a go. Alright. Shooting this through the glasses. This looks stupid. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually quite up us. Even though I didn't put chapstick on it, I feel like it meets the intention of Mr. Mckinnon's video. So we're going to count that one. On to the next one. Take a picture through sellotape. I can do that. I mean, it's glad wrap. That looks stupid. I feel like I'm butchering the coolness of this video. Shade blend. Oh, you take pictures through your sunglasses. Okay. There's trouble. I feel like black's not the best colour here. Styles. On to number 7, a knife. Number 6, knife blade. Okay, that's pretty dangerous. Oh, this one's pretty hard. What am I trying to achieve here? Is it like a mirror? Peter handled that knife so well. Do you need a dirty knife? This one was halted due to health and safety reasons. Torch flare. Number 7 and number 8 are kind of similar there. One's an actual torch and the other one's a smartphone torch, so we'll just combine it into one. Man, Peter is a savvy guy. This is really testing the limits of my technology, filming this on this phone, then having to have a torch. And you need quite a lot of hands. That was pretty cool actually. He did this thing at the end where he took his camera, and then so he took his camera apart and then he filmed, but I try to do that and my camera doesn't work. Am I missing something? There we have it. The boys are shooting 8 camera hacks in, what's that? 40 minutes? About 40 minutes. Of those, the ones that I really liked, this one, the glasses one, the torch one has some room for improvement. I'm not a good photographer, so definitely not the best. It was fun being a little crash test on me today. Maybe I might look at other quick camera tips and hacks. And if Peter Mckinnon, if you ever watched this video, could you just elaborate on that belt one again? Awesome, thanks for that guys.
I'll see you in the next video.